name's Dawn Shannon, owner of Intuition Salon and Spa. Now I'm going to go in through the sides here because we want the lightest parts to be around her face. That's where our emphasis is. Around the face, the hair is a lot finer, so you want to be very careful. You especially want to put attention on their head position being correct. You want to be extra careful applying the color, that it's not too thick up at the root area. I'm going to go from this side to this side, and then I'm going to apply fewer through here and through the back. When I fold the foil in applying color, a lot of people do a lot of different things. I personally, out of 15 years of doing hair, prefer to not fold the foil perfectly because I think it tampers with the color too much and can create bleeding, which is when the foils seep, or the color seeps out of the foil and create spots on the scalp. So I personally just fold them very gently, and I don't worry too much about how neat and tidy they look. In the back, I'm going to do it at angles here because I don't want it to look like a real square hairstyle. And I'm starting off here with finer partings, and then I'm going to work my way up to bigger foils. So it looks a little more natural, being lightest here, less light here, less light here, and darker here. Because if the sun were to naturally lighten your hair, that's how it would do it. And that's how we apply the lightener.